Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine in your homes. This is the second video lecture of class 7th science, chapter number 1, human organ systems. And our topic is respiratory system. In respiration, the living organisms use oxygen of air and food to produce energy. Carbon dioxide is also produced in this process. Respiration, parts of respiration, you can see the diagram of human respiratory system. The first part of the respiratory system is nose, trachea, larynx, bronchi, and our lungs. These are the parts that take part in the process of respiration. Here is also a process that is called breathing. The breathing is a process in which we move air in and out of the lungs. The process of breathing is completed in 2 steps. Now I will give you the concept of the movement of lungs by this activity. This is the model of lungs. You can see this part of pipe is called trachea. The bottle is thoracic cavity. Assumes the bottle as thoracic cavity, and these two pipes that are divided, the trachea divided into small tubes called bronchi, and these yellow balloons as your lungs. And this is your diaphragm. You can see through this process I can give through this activity I will you understand the concept of inhaling and exhaling. During inhalation, the diaphragm moves down and our lungs contract. This is diaphragm, and the area in the thoracic cavity increases and pressure decreases. During exhalation, our lungs comes to its dome shaped. It comes to its original structure. During exhalation, our lungs comes to its original structure, and the area in the thoracic cavity decreases and the pressure increases. The air from trachea enters into the bronchi and bronchi to the lungs. This is the process how air enters in our body. It also leaves as it is. This is the process of inhaling and exhaling. Today we study. Hope you all understand my lecture well. Stay home. Allah Hafiz.